welcome to our new Premier Property Group Welcome Package online store. Today I'm going to show you how to walk through an order here and just fill you in on some of the changes that we've created. Here you can see you have the option for a buyer and a seller. If I select a buyer, you have the option for Oregon or Washington. I'm going to pick seller for this exercise. We'll go ahead and add to cart. Here on our cart screen, we'll give you the option to add an additional advertiser. This is where you would input your director's mortgage loan officer. So if you have someone that you work with, let's select Bobby, you would type in their code here and hit submit. That would split the cost of the welcome package between the two of you, $30 and $30. Once we get to the checkout screen, on the right side, you would see that cost reflected here. Now this is a very important screen to pay very close attention to. Here is where you will input your information. Please note that this is the only place on this page that you input your information. The rest of it is client shipping address info. So here, let's see what happens when I auto-populate my email. It auto-populates all of my information down here. Now, that would be fine if I was sending the welcome package to myself, but I'm sending it to a client in this scenario. So let me go ahead and backspace all of this. And let's just say I'm sending to John and Jane Doe. We'll pretend, for the purpose of the exercise, that they share the same last name. Let's just go ahead and click that address for now. Now say they had different last names, say she was Jane Smith, we would just go ahead and put her down here. But for now, we'll say that, and then we'll go ahead and continue to the shipping method. So this is another new feature that we're really excited about. We have our standard shipping, which we've always had included in your welcome package order, or your rush ship. So, say you have a client meeting coming up, it came out of nowhere and you need one stat, just click this option. One of our reps will reach out to you, we'll get all the details on the situation, and we'll get it there 30% faster, often even faster than that, but we guarantee 30% faster or your rush fee back. So you won't have to pay it if we can't get it at least 30% faster. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to the payment method here. You'll see at the top it confirms all our information. It gives us the chance to edit. You want to look this over just to make sure that we're sending to the right address. If you accidentally shipped rush and maybe wanted to edit that to standard, you can also do so, and that reflects here. The payment method is always going to be set to bill my PPG account. That'll just make sure that it shows up on next month's statement and you'll pay it like you would any other piece of marketing. Here, obviously, is your billing information. It's okay to auto-populate here. Once I have all that information input, I'm going to go ahead and complete my order. Now, this is a good time and a perfect screen to look over your information. I know I said that once, but it's much harder to edit the order on the other side than just to edit it here. Now let's complete order. All right, and here we go. Here's our confirmation screen. We'll hear the ding from my order confirmation here shortly. It comes almost instantly, and it will go to whatever address you put in on that first screen there. Now we can also get shipping updates directly to our cell phone via text. If we just put in to my cell phone number here and hit submit, now we will get pings when UPS picks up the package, drops off the package, or anything changes. If there was like unforeseen weather or something like that, it would give you those alerts so you know what leg of the journey your order is on. You will also get your address here, all the information that you input. That'll be on the order confirmation as well. And then we could continue shopping and order another one if we had another client to order to. So feel free to contact us with any questions regarding this process, 971-206-8517. Thank you.